So this one I thought I'd do a little bit of deeper dive in here. So the way I design these is so that I can have the removable panel, which is a great big, long, removable panel, have a reveal here so you can take the panel off with your fingers and you grab underneath the bottom, and there's air. Basically the airflow goes underneath here to help bring the radiant, it's really it's just chemistry of how the air will, reprocess. You can see the light. It'll flow from underneath that opening and then through this big old radiator, which will have a bronze top in here. That it really looks lovely. Ciao for now. I actually think that actual grill goes in the bedroom, the master bedroom, but we'll change it. I put the knob in there, so I wanted to make sure that we saw that as well. Perfection.